What's going on, guys? It's Spark Flips here, and today we're coming with part 3 of the Balisong Sale. So if you haven't seen the other parts, you can go check them out. You don't have to, but these are just the Balisongs I left from the last 2 videos. So yeah, I just wanted to come out here, let you guys know that these are still in stock if you're interested, for really good prices. I just reduced all the prices on all of these. So yeah, if you're interested in where to buy these, just go to the comments, check the pinned comment, and click the link. It should link you straight to the storefront. If you'd like to buy it through Instagram, you can do that too, but you have to have a reference page for that. But yeah, otherwise just go through the storefront, buy it through there. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go straight through all these. Go through a tolerance check, damage check, anything like that. But yeah, this is the Nabali's wing. Hopefully this has tap. It does. But it still sounds really good though. It flips great. Comes in the original box. And yeah, that is the Balisong wing in pink. Next up we'll go with the BBbarfly Firefly ZX1. Thing's in very good condition. Just a few scuffs on the handle here. But yeah, absolutely mint tolerances. Yeah, that is the BBbarfly Firefly ZX1 with pink and blue handles. Or is this, yeah, pink and blue, so like kind of like cotton candy colorway. But yeah, that is the Firefly. Next up we've got the BBbarfly Barracuda V2 with the green and purple handles. This thing's in really good condition. Just a few scuffs, but other than that, great sound. Everything like that is great. And yeah, there's no tap on this either. Definitely not. Definitely not on this either. Next up, we've got my Grail. I'm getting rid of the Squid Industries Carbon Fiber Nautilus V2. And this comes with the zippy inserts in there, so it'll be a little bit priced up because of that, but still very good. Very good price for this, for what you're getting here. See, that is the Carbon Fiber Nautilus V2 in black with the red zippy inserts. No tap at all. This thing's in mint condition. Have not dropped this a single time. There's absolutely no scuffs. You can look as hard as you want. There's nothing. That's the Nautilus V2 carbon fiber with the zippy inserts. Next up we've got the classic Swordfish from Squid Industries with the silver blade and the black handles. This thing might be a little scuffed up, but still has good tolerances. No tap. Doesn't really sound too good, but I think that's just like kind of how swordfishes are. But yeah, so no tap. Trying to go to play. But anyways, so that is all. This is just the last few Balisongs I have. Just want to remind you guys that they are still available for some really good prices. So if you're interested, again, check the linked comment, the pinned comment with the link down below, or DM my Instagram, and we can make a deal. Thanks for watching though. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.